Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can connect Disney Plus to TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up any preferred browser, just search for Disney Plus. Now make sure you are logged in and also log in using your TV account so that you will be able to connect that. And what you need to do then, just go over to the URL bar, type in begin, and then you will be able to click that. And if you're logged in, you'll be able to get a TV code right here. You can see enter the 8-digit code you'll see on your TV. Then from your TV, make sure to copy and paste this code here and you'll be able to continue and you'll be able to watch Disney Plus on your computer. So this is the only way you can do that. Disney Plus offers a wide variety of episodes of movies. It has a great quality of everything pretty much. So this is basically how you can connect Disney Plus to TV from phone. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.